Hey everyone, let's talk about how AI is shaking up the finance world, shall we? Imagine a world where your money works smarter, not harder. Yeah, that's the power of AI in finance. First off, let's dive into algorithmic trading. Picture this: supercomputers analyzing market data at lightning speed, executing trades in microseconds. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. Algorithms driven by AI are making split-second decisions that human traders just can't keep up with. It's like having a financial genius working 24/7, fine-tuning your investment strategy. Okay, let's move on to fraud detection. Banks and financial institutions are always on the lookout for suspicious activities. AI steps in here too, scanning millions of transactions in real time, spotting anomalies, and flagging potential fraud before it even happens. This means safer banking for everyone. Now let's get personal. Personalized banking apps are becoming your financial advisor in your pocket. These AI-driven apps analyze your spending habits, income, and even your financial goals. They offer tailored advice, budget tips, and investment recommendations. Imagine having a financial planner available 24/7, guiding you every step of the way. And don't forget robo-advisors. These AI-powered platforms manage your investments based on your risk profile and goals. They're cost-effective, efficient, and often outperform traditional human advisors. Plus, they're accessible to everyone, not just the wealthy. So what technologies are driving these changes? Machine learning, neural networks, and big data are at the core. These systems learn and adapt over time, getting smarter with each transaction and market fluctuation. It's a continuous loop of improvement, making financial systems more robust and accurate. But with great power comes great responsibility. There are ethical implications and regulatory challenges to consider. We need to ensure these AI systems are transparent, fair, and unbiased. It's crucial for maintaining trust in our financial systems. All right, let's wrap it up. AI is not just a trend, it's the future of finance. From Wall Street to your wallet, it's transforming how we manage money. Want to stay ahead of the curve? Hit that subscribe button and join me as we explore the fascinating world of AI in finance. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. AI finance, Garner FinTech, algorithmic trading, banking AI, future of finance.